more inspiring messages, please subscribe to our channels.
Everybody say, Mama, Papa say, children say, Lagosians say.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first analysis is by name of Holiness Channel. I'm here to talk about an accountant. An accountant is a professional person who performs accounting functions such as audit of financial statement analysis. An accountant can either be employed with an internal accounting department or can set up an individual practice. In accounting, we work as a team. Members of the like to take the job of an accountant.
We start accounting discrepancies. Prepare and review budgets and expenditure of local, state, federal, and private money. Provide information that investors and business owners need in order to evaluate how a company is doing. We interact with internal and external auditors.
We analyze profit and loss accounts. We determine payroll requirements and payroll requirements and company. If you want to become an accountant, the subject needed are maths, English, accounts, commerce, and economics. An accountant can work in any organization, such as either private or government parastatal. An accountant can even run his or her own business. We want to let you know that without proper